Welcome back. Let us discuss about SEO audit. That is one of the most important concept under search engine optimization. An SEO audit is the process of analyzing how well your web presence relates to best practices. Uh, there is a whatever you have arranged on your website, or whatever is the data which you have published, or whatever contents you have written, or how exactly you organize them. So there are number of possibilities. The audit will help to know uh, the quality and how exactly it is performing. So from that point of view, this audit deals with various issues, it may be a technical SEO issue, it may be a website structure related issue, on page SEO issue, or potential offsite problems may be there, user experience issues may be there, content gaps and opportunities are there, and competitive marketplace insights are also to be considered. It is a standard procedure that should occur on a regular basis. Essentially, it is a kind of health check as far as your website or any other type of whatever work you have done, and whatever you have provided as a part of your platform or a service. So, for that, this search engine optimization audit will definitely help. These are some of the important aspects. If we look at this, SEO is dealing with these different we can say as components. It is related with local optimization, it is related with on-site optimization, it is related with mobile friendliness, it is related with user experience, it is related with search accessibility, it is related with content, it is related with social media influence, it is related with link profile, it is related with keyword research, and definitely it is related with speed as well. So these are some of the very important, we can say, as components or parameters which are to be taken into account when SEO audit is done. Uh, what an SEO audit should be? First and foremost, an audit should be comprehensive. That is important. It should be it should cover both structural content and other components, or the content related components, considering visibility. It should provide a big picture view, as if so what is happening in your current state. Any missing pieces could result in unnecessary or improper recommendations. So your audit should be very easy to understand. As a business owner, you should be able to connect the dots as to how SEO issues are affecting your online priorities, goals, or revenue as well. Any and all recommendations should clearly ladder up to your overreaching business objectives. So that is equally important. Fundamentally, if we talk about SEO audit, it is the process of reviewing your online assets to make sure that your site is performing the best it possibly can in search results. This includes finding out strength and successes to harness or scale, mistakes to fix, and low hanging fruit to snatch up, what's not working that you should do less of, and what's not working that needs to be improved. The thing is, there are so many facets to SEO that this process can become overwhelming fast. We have simplified the SEO audit into 10 core steps in this particular post, but if you have a large website, you might also consider separating out your SEO audits into categories. So there are some basic types as far as SEO audit is considered. First one is on-page SEO audit. This type of SEO refers to making sure the backend elements of a page are optimized for search crawlers. An on-page SEO audit would include checking meta descriptions, meta titles, image alt text, and compression, and much more. So, like this, these are some of the say we can say components where there will be focus when you are doing on-page SEO audit. Like this is image alt text, image file name, or somewhere here it is related to words, uh, the meta description which is presented. So there are a number of such parameters which are to be taken into consideration. In case of off-page SEO, an off-page SEO audit would involve looking at other pages and even other domains that link to the pages you are looking to improve, which may involve the quality, quantity, distribution, and recency of these links. As far as technical SEO audit is considered, this type of SEO audit will involve on-page efforts like image optimization, but largely refers to the performance metrics like site speed and security. A technical SEO audit will identify opportunities to fix, eliminate, or recognize code, prevent spam, and switch from HTTP to HTTPS and more. So that is also equally important. And local SEO audit is also one more. So local SEO audit involves the set of practices to help your business rank in local search. A local SEO audit will be slightly smaller, but it will still involve elements from each of the above audits with regard to listing of page content, locally focused pages and posts, in case of on-page keyword insertion and targeting, and technical as far as considered site speed and security. So in general, SEO audit usually covers indexing and crawlability, user experience, site architecture, competitor benchmarking, keyword research, on-page SEO, and backlink profile. There are two most popular tools which are used frequently. Like one is called Google Search Console, and another one is called SEMrush. In upcoming session, we will give little more focus on this particular. One more thing I would like to add here, that what should not be done whenever we do SEO audit. An SEO audit should not be rushed. It simply takes time to uncover root causes of the issues affecting your online health. Depending on the size of your site, a proper audit can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks to complete. So, due to some other issues, whatever is required when making major changes to any website and any anywhere, when any SEO specialist is going to conduct it and going to give some remarks or recommendations after investigation to make it more appropriate. So that should be considered. An SEO audit should not be one size fits all. Like while some technical elements are required for all websites, a situational analysis should be performed at the outset of an SEO audit to hone in on areas of various parts or the components for that particular website. So there may be some typical errors which we find in case of website. So those may be measured, and from that performance analysis may be done. Like it may be how many times 301, how many times 302 error, how many times 401, 403, or 404, and so on. So it is a technical audit corresponding to indexation or status or maybe page speed or URL structure and many other parameters. So in next session, we will little more discuss about audit tools, and specifically for website related, what are the parameters and components or elements considered as a part of SEO audit.